Hey guys, today I'm working with an LG side-by-side stainless steel refrigerator. We've got the freezer on the left, the fridge on the right. It's in excellent condition. I've actually got it plugged in right now. It's working. I'm going to show you that it is cooling and freezing like it's supposed to. Normally I show this off, and I can't do that right now because there is no filter in here. So if you hook water up to it, which I did, and you try to use it, water shoots out right here because that's where you would actually put your filter there. But that being said, water did shoot out of here. I could hear the ice maker clicking in here, pulling for water. So I'm going to assume all of that works. I can't be 100% on it. So one thing to take into consideration. Should work. The auction that I bought this at, they said all of it works, but I never say for sure unless I can test it myself. But the inlet valves on the back obviously work, because as soon as you hit that, water shoots out of there and makes a terrible mess. So I wouldn't do that until you get a filter for it, which can be bought on Amazon. But otherwise, let me show you real quick that everything's cooling like it should be. So it's a little chilly out here, but I already took a picture of this inside. I've got everything set to max cold, so we're at -10 there on the freezer side. And over here, we're at 28. So obviously you wouldn't want to run it that cold. Right here's your controls, so you could turn this maybe to about I think a 4 is about what's recommended pretty much for all fridges. Ice type, you can choose between cubed, crushed, or your water. You can hit this to make ice faster. You can lock that if you've got kids. And then this is for your filter. When you replace your filter, you hold that and it'll give you an alert when you need to change out that filter. So it's in excellent shape. It's been sanitized and it is ready to go. Handles come off very easily for getting it in and out of your house, getting through those doorways and such. They just slide up and pull off. That's pretty much it on this one. I'll go ahead and get it listed up. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, have a great day. Thanks.